This is a review of the DJI Pocket 2. Solo videographers will love this pocket camera. DJI Pocket 2 can't do everything, but it's the best compact vlogging camera on the market right now. With its pricier Creator Combo package, it includes a wireless mic and other essential tools for video production, as well as a larger sensor over its predecessor. It's also great for vloggers walking around and talking about stuff. This is a great imaging tool that fits right into a videographer or vlogger's workflow. What's new? The camera sensor is 64 MP, up from 12 MP on DJI's Osmo Pocket. DJI's Pocket 2 has a bigger 1.7-inch sensor than the Osmo Pocket's 0.3-inch sensor. As evidenced by the outstanding DJI Air 2S, a high-end consumer drone with bigger sensors. There are two versions of the DJI Pocket 2. The bundle includes a mini control stick and 1/4-inch tripod mount, and costs $349, £339, $599. For $499, £469, $799 you can get a DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, which includes the basic bundle's accessories plus a do-it-all handle, micro tripod, wide-angle lens, and windscreen. The sensor in your phone may be better than the DJI Pocket 2, so this isn't cheap. You can't get external wireless recording out of the box with a smartphone, and it can't mechanically stabilize your shot. You'll have to decide how important those features are to you. The pocket-sized DJI Pocket 2 has a 3-axis gimbal at the helm, atop a stick that houses the device's brains, battery, and screen. Frame a shot, frame it on the 1-inch display and shoot for as long as you can on this 117 grams, light, comfortable to hold device, no hand fatigue here. The Creator Combo Pack comes with a tripod, so you can prop it up. DJI Pocket 2 has a new power button and mode and record buttons under the screen. Although you can turn the gimbal on with the mode button, only the power button can turn it off, handy for avoiding accidental shutoffs when changing modes. The Pocket 2 has a USB-C port on the bottom, but if you mount it on a tripod you'll need a universal port adapter to connect it to your phone. This slot fits Thunderbolt and USB-C adapters for easy phone attachments and video exports. When it comes to 4K video transferring, a physical connection is faster and more reliable than doing it wirelessly, like with so many action cameras. But the adapters can get lost pretty easily. DJI Pocket 2 comes with a hard plastic holster. Whenever things aren't going well, you can rest easier with DJI's preventative measure locks the gimbal up when it senses a fall. Even though it's not an action cam like the GoPro Hero 9 Black, it's a great addition for anyone looking for mechanical video stabilization. The DJI Pocket 2's 3-axis system handles walks and wobbles like a champ. It's fine to get an action camera, but the smoothing out of shake causes this weird micro judder. Not with Pocket 2. How about getting a smartphone gimbal? Then you'd have to use your phone, and the performance varies. I think this funky little camera on a stick has its place. In this mode, the camera stays horizontal, up/down rotation is disabled, and you can move as much as you want. The differences aren't immediately apparent, so we suggest jumping around the living room or garden for an afternoon before actually shooting it. With the app, you can use the DJI Pocket 2's object tracking and easier mode switching. In addition, if you choose the Creator Combo, you'll get access to even more cool stuff, including an ultra-wide lens, a mini-pod, and external audio recording. There's a 1.7-inch smartphone-grade sensor in the DJI Pocket 2, plus a 20mm f/1.8 lens. Because of its extra size, it can capture 4K even when zoomed in. You can put in 4 times lossless at 16 MP for stills and 1080p video, 3 times for 2.7K video, and twice for 4K video. As long as you're shooting in a well-lit environment, you can crop your shot very closely, get a nice track of your face, and keep the 4K resolution. There's not the crispiest 4K we've seen, not by a long shot, but with decent audio and a respectable picture, this should do for most vloggers. You can also access all pro controls from the Pocket 2, like shutter speed, EV, focus mode and ISO 100/6400, but the app makes it less fiddly. In addition, the follow focus speed and pause recording options have been added, making this a one-stop video shop for creators. Is TikTok the dream? For reals, it's better to just use your smartphone since it's easier to shoot portrait mode. The DJI Pocket 2 has an 875 mAh non-removable battery, and the screen on the gimbal is even smaller. Pocket 2 gets hot shooting 4K videos at high quality, shutting down before battery drains. This happened after the battery drained by almost 70% after about an hour of capture. Even so, if you shoot in HD or 4K standard quality, the DJI Pocket 2 lasts longer, about 2 hours at full HD and can run while plugged into a power source. A 4K video of 4 minutes takes about 2.5 gigabytes on a micro SD card. It has up to 256 gigabytes of storage on a microSD card, so if you shoot in full resolution, don't skimp on that. DJI recommends UHSI speeds.